class 3rd. Welcome to online classes of HPS. This is your English class. So be ready with your book, notebook and your stationery. We have completed our chapter, right? Cats and dogs. Now today we will do tick the correct and question answers. Choose the correct option to fill in each blank. The cat was named Kitty. Kitty and Bruno would kiss each other. Bruno kept his master's house safe from thieves. Thieves से बचाता था, वो चोरों से बचाता था. Bruno and Kitty wanted their master to give them meat every day. रोज मीट देने का प्रॉमिस किया था. नहीं, वो चाहते थे कि वो रोज उन्हें मीट दे. Kitty told Bruno that she could not find the agreement. उसको एग्रीमेंट नहीं मिल रहा था. Now, take out your notebook and write question number 1. Who were Kitty and Bruno? Kitty और Bruno कौन थे? Now answer. Kitty and Bruno. Kitty Kitty and Bruno were were the best of friends. friends. Kitty and Bruno were the best of friends. Okay. Now second, what did they do for their master? वो अपने मास्टर के लिए क्या करते थे? आप क्वेश्चंस बाद में भी उतार सकते हैं. जस्ट लीव दिस स्पेस फॉर द क्वेश्चंस. राइट डाउन आंसर. Kitty, KEPT, kept. ये सेकेंड फॉर्म है. क्वेश्चन अगर सेकेंड फॉर्म में पूछा गया है, यहाँ पे डिड है, इसलिए यहाँ पे आंसर भी सेकेंड फॉर्म में होगा. Kitty kept her master's house free, free, from mice, mice, and Bruno, Bruno kept, KEPT, kept it safe from thieves, THIEVES. किटी अपने मास्टर का हाउस फ्री रखती थी माइस से, और ब्रूनो उसको रखता था सेफ फ्रॉम थीव्स से. Right? Now question number 3. What did Mr. Smith promise to do? क्या प्रॉमिस किया था? Mr. Smith promised to give, THEM, them, meet, MEAT, meet, EVERY, every, DAY, day. Mr. Smith promised to give them meat every day. Done. Now question number 4. Did Mr. Smith keep his promise? क्या उन्होंने अपना promise रखा था? No. नहीं. Mr. Smith, no के बाद कॉमा, Mr. Smith kept, KEPT, kept his, 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 PROMISE, promise, only for a week. सिर्फ एक वीक के लिए रखा था ना प्रॉमिस. Mr. Smith kept his promise only for a week. Okay, now answer 5th. Where did Kitty hide the agreement? कहाँ छुपाया था? Kitty had, HID only, had, second form, the agreement in the loft, LOFT, loft. Agreement, Kitty hide the agreement in the loft, storeroom. Question 6. Why could Kitty not find the agreement? क्यों नहीं मिल पा रहा था agreement? Because BECAUSE, because it was NIBBLED, nibbled by the mice, because it was nibbled by the mice. Now 7th. How did Bruno show his anger? कैसे उसने अपना गुस्सा दिखाया? Bruno, BRUNO, Bruno bit, BIT, her, 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 tail, 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 in, ANGER, anger. Bruno bit her tail in anger. Now 8th. Why did Kitty run up a tree? क्यों चढ़ गई थी वो? Kitty was afraid, AFRAID, afraid of Bruno. Bruno से डर गई थी, घबरा गई थी. Kitty was afraid of Bruno. डन. अगर आप एक बार में नहीं कर पाए then watch video again and again. So will you do the question answers completely? Okay, this is all for now. Goodbye and have a nice day. Complete your work and send it to us and learn it. Okay, learn question answers. We will do book work in the next video.